So thanks very much for everybody's responses on the tail. As you may have guessed, the overwhelming response was that this should have a tail, so this is what I've come up with. And what it is, it's got some aluminium wire inside this conduit, so it's sort of posable in a sense. And as you can see, it's also, you can disconnect it. I figured I'm probably going to transport this around the place occasionally, so I think it would be useful for the tail to come off. So it's got that little connection at the back there. And I'm thinking I might put a few neodymium magnets in there just so it can easily be connected, and there's something there to sort of hold it in place. So that's looking pretty good, I think. I must say all of the suggestions I had were many and varied. Some of you suggested having several tails coming off this, and there were various other really cool suggestions, so thanks for everything that everyone's come back with. As you can see, I've got this sort of gun emplacement thing on the end here, sort of a bit like a scorpion stinger, I suppose, and that's just made out of some more resin shapes and some aluminium and brass rod there that you can see. So there's still some more to do on this. I've still got to add some sort of armour panels on this and sort of maybe sort of bulk it out at the base so it sort of slowly tapers down to a point. So I've got some more acrylic sheet to do that, but that's something I'll include in the next part of this video. So that's it. I just thought everyone would like a quick update, so thanks for everyone's suggestions, and I'll continue with this in the next part of the build video.